When it comes to staying active with an existing injury, one question often looms large in our minds. How can I find the right workout that will be safe for me to do with an existing injury? This question is especially relevant today as many people are turning to bar workouts because of their low impact nature and their unique blend of strength training, cardio, and Pilates. There are some exercises that are definitely safer than others when it comes to working out and while you're recovering from an injury. Barre is definitely one of them. Hey there, I'm Tanya Becker, creator of the global media and fitness company Physique 57. In this video, I will explore the world of fitness through the lens of injury-conscious exercise. We'll also take a closer look at bar workouts and, more specifically, the dynamic approach of Physique 57 in working out and getting a stronger, healthier body, even with an injury. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below any specific injury-related questions you may have. I will definitely answer them. Also, make sure to watch to the end as you'll learn how to choose a workout that suits your injury and discover how Physique 57's specialized bar program sets itself apart, prioritizing your health and recovery every step of the way. Before we dive in, it's important to have a clear understanding of your injury. Think of this as the first step on your path to safe and effective exercise. First and foremost, you should consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide you insight into the nature and severity of your injury. They can help you identify any specific restrictions or precautions you should take when working out. Understanding your injury means knowing its limitations and potential for improvement. It's about recognizing which movements or activities may worsen the problem and which ones can contribute to your healing. By having a solid grasp of your injury, you can make informed choices about the exercises that are right for you. Now let's take a look at bar workouts and why they're gaining attention as a workout method that's gentle on the body. Bar workouts originated from Lotte Berk, a German-born ballet dancer who developed the first bar workouts in 1959 when designing ballet-based core stabilizing exercises to rehabilitate herself from an injury. If you've ever seen a physical therapist, you may notice there's a lot of crossover between bar and physical therapy exercises. Bar combines elements of ballet-inspired movements, Pilates, yoga, and strength training, designed to balance your body, sculpt, and tone your muscles. And unlike usual exercises, bar workouts are low impact, which means they're easier on your joints while still providing a challenging workout. In a typical bar class, you can expect a combination of movements that focus on balance, flexibility, and building lean muscle. These classes often incorporate the use of a ballet bar, hence the name, for support and assistance in various exercises. One of the benefits of bar workouts is their adaptability. They can be modified to suit various fitness levels and can be really beneficial for those with injuries. But what makes Physique 57's bar workouts different from the others? Well, for starters, it caters to individuals with existing injuries. Physique 57 has carved out its unique niche in the world of bar workouts by prioritizing inclusivity and safety. Our program is designed to be accessible to all fitness levels and takes extra care to accommodate those with injuries or limitations. Physique 57 focuses on the person, not the pose. Our standout feature of Physique 57's approach is to its dedication to incorporating physical therapy and wellness into our classes. Our workouts are about getting fit and promoting injury, recovery, and prevention. Plus, our instructors are trained to provide guidance and modifications tailored to your specific needs, ensuring that you can do movements effectively and safely. We provide a fully personalized experience. Physique 57 trainers are dancers and movement professionals. With the most rigorous instructor training program in the bar fitness industry, our trainers expertly guide you in adapting the exercises to honor your physicality and maximize your benefits. When working with an injury, it's important to keep these 7 tips in mind to make sure your experience is safe and effective. Number 1, always warm up and cool down. Always start with a gentle warm-up to prepare your muscles and joints for action. After your workout, take time to cool down, stretch, and maintain that flexibility. You can also relieve muscle tension. Number 2, ensure proper form and alignment. Pay close attention to your instructor's cues and for the proper form and alignment. Good posture not only makes your exercises more effective, but also reduces the risk of more injury. Number 3, core strength for the win. Finding a workout that builds deep core strength like barre is vital when you're working out with an injury. When your abs are effectively engaged, not only will your posture improve, you'll also be lighter on your feet and move with more control. Barre is a functional workout, and your improved core strength will serve you in all your daily activities. Number 4, choose the right class level. I know, barre classes usually offer different levels from beginner to advanced, but always start with a level that matches your current fitness and injury status and progress gradually as you gain strength and confidence. Keep in mind that even if you're athletic, if you're new to barre, it's important to start from the beginning. While the exercises may be more simplistic and slower paced in a beginner level barre workout, you will still get an excellent workout, I promise you, and you may feel muscles you never felt before. And don't worry, all of Physique 57's workouts are low impact, so they're easy on your joints. Number 5, listen to your body. Barre is all about body awareness, and it's important that you're attuned to how your body feels during a particular workout. If a particular move causes any discomfort or pain, do not push through it. Instead, chat with your instructor about possible modifications. Number 6, focus on consistency and gradual progress. Consistency is key, especially in fitness. You should slowly increase the frequency and intensity of your barre workouts as your injury allows. Avoid that temptation to overexert yourself too quickly, as you may be exacerbating your injury. The beauty of barre workouts is that you can start by making your movements very small and then build up your range of motion over time, which will also increase your benefits and results. And lastly, number 7, rest and recovery. Your body deserves some downtime between workouts. It's during these moments of rest that your muscles get the chance to repair and grow stronger. Make sure to also prioritize sleep and include rest days into your fitness regimen. Finding the right workout routine, even with an injury, is possible and crucial for your health and well-being. Barre workouts, especially those offered by Physique 57, provide a gentle yet effective way to improve strength, flexibility, and balance, helping you get back up on your feet. But remember, it's important to listen to your body, set achievable goals, and progress at your own pace. After all, your body, even with an injury, is capable of remarkable achievements. If you're ready to get started, definitely click the link below and take advantage of our free 2-week trial where you'll have access to hundreds of super safe and effective workouts that you can do anywhere, anytime. And remember, you are a limited edition and deserve to feel good. So take pride in your efforts, start slow, and know that no matter what your injury is, you can look and feel amazing.